to manage a celebrity, to manage a people, talagang it's a big responsibility yan. At saka, there are artists, di ba? Dapat maintindihan mo, pag ikaw nagmamanage, dapat marunong ka rin sa psychology. Di ba? Hindi lang dapat yung galing mo to find a business for them, to find a project for them. Hindi lang magaling ka dapat sa strategy ng marketing and advertising. Dapat marunong ka rin ng psychology. Dahil itong mga artists na ito are artists, they have their own attitude. May mga attitude, may different person. Iba-iba ang personalities nila. And you should learn how to work with them and understand them. Or kasi sila ang produkto mo eh. So dapat turuan mo rin yung sarili mo paano maintindihan itong mga personalities na ito. How I'm going to apply this to run for definitely it's a big help because you learn a lot from all of these people and you learn how to handle people. When you go into politics, it's more than that. It's more than that. Mas marami ang merong personality disorder. Mas marami kang nagigil na ang nataas ng ego kasi kala mo lahat magagaling. Lahat kayo paasa ng ihip. Pagalingan. Kaya ito, natutunan ko to dahil how I handle celebrities. Pag ikaw ay nasa politics, ay chicken na how to manage these people and how to mingle and how to deal with these people. Madali mo na siyang ma-handle yung mga taong idinigil mo because people from all walks of life, from the poorest of the poor to the richest people in your city, ay matidil mo. Dahil natuto kang mag-deal sa celebrities, sa mga different personalities, siguro pagdating na sa pinakamababa at pinakamataas, kaya mo nag-handle.